you stand before this council, accused of illegal genetic experimentation.
Ooh, that's not good.
Not guilty. My experiments are only theoretical.
We believe you actually created something.
I would never, ever make more than one.
So Stitch is an experiment.
He can see in the dark and move objects 3,000 times his size.
God damn.
His only instinct to destroy everything he touches.
He sounds like a very dangerous species.
Naughty!
Let me guess, he said something he should not have said.
Uncomfortable?
Damn. This is probably gonna go down as the quickest prison escape ever. Holy shit. Oh goddamn, and we're killing the entire fleet as well.